Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Buying your first stock might sound intimidating, but trust me, it's easier than you think. In this video, I'm going to break down the basics of the stock market and walk you step by step through how to buy your very first stock. So, whether you've got $50 or $500, stick around because this could be the start of your journey to financial freedom. What is the stock market? Let's start with the basics. What is the stock market? Think of the stock market as a big marketplace where people buy and sell shares of companies. A share is simply a small piece of ownership in a company. So, when you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a tiny slice of a business like Apple, Google, or even your favorite coffee shop chain. Imagine you and your friends start a lemonade stand. If you divide the ownership into 10 pieces and sell one piece to a friend for $10, your friend now owns part of your lemonade stand. That's essentially how stocks work on a larger scale, but instead of lemonade stands, it's billion-dollar companies. Why should you invest in stocks? Now, you might be wondering, why invest in stocks? The answer is simple: growth. Historically, the stock market has been one of the best ways to grow your money over time. For example, if you invested $1,000 in an S&P 500 index fund 20 years ago, it would be worth over $5,000 today. Of course, there are ups and downs, but long-term investing can help your money outpace inflation and build wealth. How to choose your first stock? Okay, now let's talk about how to actually choose your first stock. This can be the hardest part for beginners, but don't worry, I've got a simple 3-step process for you. 1. Start with what you know. Think about companies you already use or love. Do you shop at Amazon? Drink Starbucks coffee? Use an iPhone? These are great places to start. 2. Check the basics. Look up the company's performance using free tools like Yahoo Finance or your stockbroker app. Check metrics like revenue growth, profit margins, and industry trends. 3. Think long-term. Ask yourself, do you believe in this company's future? If the answer is yes, it might be a good choice for your portfolio. If choosing individual stocks feels overwhelming, consider starting with ETFs, exchange-traded funds, which let you invest in a whole bunch of companies at once. Step-by-step guide to buying your first stock. Alright, let's get to the exciting part: buying your first stock. Here's how you can do it in 5 simple steps. 1. Open a brokerage account. Choose an app like Robinhood, Webull, or Fidelity. These are beginner-friendly and easy to use. 2. Fund your account. Deposit money into your brokerage account. Start small if you need to. $50 is enough to get started. 3. Search for the stock. Type the company name or ticker symbol, like AAPL for Apple, into the search bar. 4. Place your order. Decide how many shares you want to buy and select Buy. Choose between a market order, buys at the current price, or a limit order, sets your own price. 5. Review and confirm. Double-check the details and hit Confirm. Congratulations! You're now a stockholder. That's it. You've officially bought your first stock. Welcome to the world of investing. Tips for beginners. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips to help you succeed as a beginner investor. Start small. Don't put all your savings into the stock market. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Diversify. Don't put all your money into one stock. Spread it across multiple companies or ETFs. Think long term. The stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience is key. And there you have it, the basics of the stock market and how to buy your first stock. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly investing tips. And hey, let me know in the comments, what's the first stock you're planning to buy? I'd love to hear your ideas. See you in the next video. Happy investing!